And it's been smiles all week for the Tibetan Eagle, Sumu Darji. Keeps on proving, as you'd expect, DC, from a 25-year-old fighter. Bonus in the last fight. Used that money to go train at Team Alpha Male alongside Song Yadong, and has really improved his ground game and his jab, which I think might be key. And add to that, you were on the call, really buoyed by the success of Li Jingliang as well, trying to keep it rolling for China.
Yeah, Sumadarji is very aware of the momentum that the Chinese fighters are getting. On the male side now also, as you've seen, great female fighters like Zhang Weili win the championship. Now, you talked about him training at Alpha Male. After winning that fight and getting the bonus, he just didn't go home. He stayed there and prepared, continued to improve. Obviously, when you're at Alpha Male, you're getting great wrestling, great grappling. And with this guy's stand-up ability, he can become a very important player in this division.
Especially with that range, right? If this guy really learns how to wrestle, use that length, and mix in his already beautiful striking and powerful left hand, he's going to be a real problem at 125 pounds.
92% finish rate for the Tibetan Eagle, Sumu Darji. And when he first came to the UFC, I was speaking with his coaches, and they said it's probably a bit early for him, DC. He doesn't have the ground credentials, but been working on it. And when you've got striking like this kid has, you almost, you know, you don't have to always go on the wrestling mat.
Well, you saw it, right? You saw it in the Smoker fight.
It takes me down.